What's up, YouTube world? Welcome back to Auto Rehab. All right, so you guys saw the car is finished, completed. I'm very excited that we're done with this car. It has been a enduring and fun process. Overall, it turned out great. The car drives amazing. Like I said, I love how it handles and it's so smooth. You don't expect the car to be as low as it is and to ride as smooth as it does. As you'll see in this video, we got all the little details knocked down, and it's ready, man. It's ready for the streets. It's ready for its new owner. So if you're looking for a Lotus Evora, don't be shy. This one has got all the kinks fixed. All right, y'all, here's the finished product. Car is done. Got it tinted. I got all these right here. We sprayed gloss black. We got the horrible clear bra off of it. Had it buffed, had all the inserts resprayed, as you can see. Best part, I love getting these decals, or I guess you could say the emblems and stuff, like the Lotus and the Evora painted black. We also got the diffuser painted gloss black. Can't really tell in this video, but it looks really good during the day. Alright guys, so as always promised, I do a price reveal to let you guys know what the car came out and you guys can judge, was it worth it or not. This one started off, seemed like a really cheap buy, didn't need a lot of work, but as you guys saw throughout the whole process, it took a little bit more. So, it's a 2010 Lotus Evora that I purchased off IA. And I bought it pretty much with fees and everything. It came out $16,967. Powder coating the wheels, getting the tires off, the new center caps, the valve stems, all that stuff, was $400 total. And then at the body shop to get the bumper resprayed, get all the stuff I needed to get done, it was $750. I'm also doing an audio upgrade. I'm replacing the head unit because it's horrible. Getting the speakers updated, the amp stuff, it's running $900. And then the brake rotors were $569.58. Let's see here, the little seat repair, which wasn't much, you guys saw it made it $50. Miscellaneous parts for the interior that I was missing. Guys hooked me up $150 for that. Amazing deal. Let's see here. Maserati at the Greenville place, Lotus Maserati. I spent with them $1,774.29. And then a bunch of extra fluids from I got from Toyota dealership with like $81 with my discount. The aluminum radiator was $766.50. And let's see here, the window tint was $300. On top of that, to get the headlights redone, taking apart, all that stuff, that was an extra $300. And then paying Eddie for his labor, he really helped me out. He really hooked me up. It was only $5K, so it wasn't too bad. On top of that, plus the shipping, bringing it home, while we were there, it wasn't much either. Ran us about $100 in fuel. So the total roughly is around $28,012, give or take. It's like I said, it's a 2010 Lotus Evora with 78,000 miles, but now that all the fluids, new clutch, I mean, let me know what you guys think. 28,000, was that too much? Was that a good deal? I don't know. I guess we'll find out when we go to sell the car, but for now I'm gonna enjoy it in the summer. Either way, guys, like I said, I appreciate any feedback. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next builds and stuff, and I'll see you guys then. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Either way, guys, seriously, thanks for all the comments, for all the love. I appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.